Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. So the other accounts, I had three accounts that we were kind of being up upon. I withdrew two of them. I didn't stream that part, but I recorded it, so it will be on the video. Um, and then I blew them right after that because you have like a $0 margin basically. So um, yeah, that's that. So I withdrew two of them. The third one I wasn't able to withdraw. I think because I made a lot of the profit in one day, so I have to bring that account $2,800 in profit, not 1,500. And as you can see, that account is already it's the same account basically. I just took one extra trade, and it's up $2,000, right? Hence the title of the stream. And now we're gonna just attack these next two accounts. As well, there's been big changes on the strategy, so we took advantage of the 90% discount sale, and basically we got a bunch of 300K accounts, and we're gonna switch to the big boys. Basically, we're gonna switch to the big boys. It's just got to happen. So after we finish these two accounts in the next 10 days, right? Right after that, so these 2 weeks basically, that's what we're gonna be focusing on, and from let's say the 20th, we're gonna be on the 300K accounts, right? And I have a very very special technique or strategy that we're gonna be using with those accounts, and I'm gonna show you how to max out your profits when you pass such accounts. Okay, we're gonna discuss that when we come closer to that time. For the time being, we're gonna be trading um, the the account that's 2,000 in profit, bring it up to 2,800. So we're just missing like an 800 profit. Because we already so much in profit, I'm gonna reduce the risk, cut it in half. So I'm gonna trade two contracts, same stops, same take profits, right? So we need about three trades to finish that account. We got about 10 days to do so. I think that's a pretty good expectation, and it's a 1 to 1, or almost 1 to 1.8 risk reward. Um, and yeah, the two other accounts, I don't know. I'm thinking of trading them uh, with the trade copier, or maybe I'm just gonna trade them individually. We're gonna figure out that part. It depends how soon we finish this first account. All right. Okay. So we are noticing very strong push up. Sorry, I need to show this slide. So we're noticing a strong push up on the channels. Just needed to count the days. Boom. Okay, strong push up on the channels. Nice trend, right? You know, the thing with days like this, you might always be wondering, like, whenever it's going to be coming back to touch the EMA, and it's never going to do that. It keeps pushing up and up and up, abusing your patience. So we're just going to be very patient. That's all we're going to do. If we catch a nice trade, I'm definitely going to go for, whoa, what is that? Oh, this is the NQ, huh? Makes sense. That makes sense now. If anybody's wondering why I have the NQ charts open, I I have two strategies that I'm using for different accounts. My NQ strategy is not as fine-tuned as the ES strategy, so I only stream the ES strategy. But yeah, the idea is still the same. Nice uptrend. I think maybe 31 degrees still. I think maybe we get a two-legged pullback around here. I might take that. So, yeah, I knew we'll probably not get a second leg, as I said. Whenever they start like this, it's always just, you know, unsustainable price action that keeps testing your patience, you know. And whenever you're gonna get it set up, it's gonna look like a, a reversal, you know. Gonna be very, very techy, very picky. And even if we get setups that don't essentially match what we want and we don't take them, and it still works out, we shouldn't feel like we missed out. We shouldn't feel FOMO. We should still be cool, calm, and collected, right? Cool, calm, and collected. Would I take a two-legged pullback here to the EMA? Absolutely yes, no doubt. But are we really getting that? I think we're just gonna see some parabolic price action, action. But hey, but hey, you never know. You never know. We might just get our chance, our time to shine. We might just get our time to shine. Yeah, this looks more like it to me. Something like this. Some light. So this gives me an expectation of some sort of a local top right here, especially with this. So, right. Then maybe we get a local. We get a local top, two-legged pullback, nice signal candle, convergence with confluence with two EMAs plus my trend line. You know, just perfect textbook price action type stuff, right? Type stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Seems like we're getting a reaction from our channel. You know, me having these charts open simultaneously like this and having them zoomed out a little bit, it spares me the drawings, you know. I don't like to have drawings on my charts unless it's like on this chart here, or it's been like a long-term trend, long-term channel, etc., stuff like that. I don't like to put levels and stuff, right? It's a hit and miss type of stuff. But what's for sure, what always works, is regular price action, reading, right? You would always find an explication for something. But with your levels, you might just go right past your level, you know, or you might get a reaction maybe a bit before your level or after, you know. It's like, I don't know. I just know that the most successful traders that I know, not personally, they all do have minimal drawings. Some people don't even use EMAs, right? They use UAPs, SMAs. It's just to give you an idea of the market mean. Let's see if we get a two-legged pullback here. The funny feel that I get is either we're gonna get a very terrible signal candle after the two-legged pullback, or you might just get like a one leg. You know. Hopefully we do get a two-legged pullback. We're gonna be on the lookout. We're just gonna watch it, see what's up. That's the first leg, and yeah, maybe it was too big of a dream to have a nice two-legged pullback form on the. Uh, there was no break of the previous candle's low at any point here. All right, any point. So do we want to enter here? That's 1, 2, 3. I think definitely if it comes back to here, I definitely want to be in. Whoa, what is that? Definitely not what you want to see. And it still does have room to go down. Is that something we want to partake in? I don't know. Second entry long. Now ready for the taking. I think I will take the risk. I think I will take the risk. I think I will take my chances with this. I think so, yeah. Mm, okay. This is starting to not look optimal at all. You know what? I'm still trying to buy. I think this is the perfect place to buy. Right? Look at that. We're touching the EMA on every single chart. Just give me the nice candle and I will take it. Come on, go down a bit. Give me a wick. Come back normal and natural. Oh, okay, stop here. That's okay. That's enough. 600 ticks. Do we get this? Do we get this? That's a bad signal candle, but hey, watch out for this one. And it might be an insider candle. Still pushing. Yeah. Give me a nice reversal now. Whoa. I didn't get filled, did I? Alright. I'm in for this. And hey, it might be a trap trade. I might get stopped, but that's okay. That's okay. I think to me it's a decent entry. If you look at the EMAs everywhere, the trend line. Hey, hey, hey. Play the game. Play the game. Got stopped. That's okay. That's okay. Play the game, man. Play the game, man. Gotta take your chances. Interesting. I'm gonna be on standby and watch. And watch this. Uh, that might be what we're looking for, you know. But we had our one shot and we missed it. We missed our one shot. So, or maybe we are wrong, and this is starting to be some form of a downtrend. Do we believe that? Break a trend here. It's possible, yeah. breakage trend. Still on the channel here. That's a trap trade here. I'm gonna take that. Boom. Got filled. I'm thinking of moving my stop down here. To me, that's a failure if it gets here. It could still reverse on us. And that would be an unfortunate situation, an unfortunate event. It's been 1 point in profit. From experience, it always, if it does reverse, it's always around the 1.2 area. So let's just see. I want to see a break of this low. Okay, a break of this one too. A break of that one, man. Hey. Nah. I'm not about, okay, that's nice. Always reverses after 1.2, so if it does, okay, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Finish. That's not how you finish. Hey. I got impatient, guys. Alright. I got a bit impatient on that one. Not gonna lie. We could have been up 250. We're up $100. $70, right? Wait, is it $70? I don't know how the math. Oh, okay. I already had $9 before that. So yeah, we're up $100. We got about $700 left to get a withdrawal, and basically it's gonna be 2 withdrawals that I'm gonna get from that account, back to back. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, that is a very interesting candle. Yo, if I was going short here, I would 100% be pissed. Just the way the candle moved was disrespectful already. Why would you move like that? I think it would start, it would get me paranoid. And I would be like, yeah, somebody's chasing my stops. Right? I'm going to wait for more regular price action. I think the price action and pricing at the moment. I do miss NinjaTrader. I think I might get back to NinjaTrader. I think Quantower is good. I probably would say it's better than in some ways than NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader does have his strengths as well, but but and the big reason and almost the only reason why I would change back to NinjaTrader is the drawings. And this is coming from somebody that doesn't even use that many drawings. You can see I only use a few trend lines, and a few channels. That's about it, right? Sometimes I draw my boxes, but it's nothing precise. It's just to show an area to avoid, right? But I still find it very, very difficult to have your drawings and use Quantower if you trade tick charts. Now, it doesn't happen with time charts, right? Look at this chart. You can move it. It's chilling. I mean, it moves a little bit as well, but it moves just like it moves with NinjaTrader. Alright, it's no big deal. By the time it gets to a bad position, you would have your price action already passed. Or you can extend it past where you passed, and it does the same job. What I'm trying to say is, I'm a tick trader. I think most people that trade futures are also tick traders, right? Quantower, what are you doing? It's a big Benny. It's a big bag. Correct your things, and we cannot get back to it, right? Because it does have a copy trader included in the app, right? You can, and I like the fact that it's just like a one window thing, right? It's a one window thing. Like when you close it, closes everything. You open it, it opens back everything. It's just one app, right? NinjaTrader, you have to open individual windows, right? And when you close them, it's a long process to put back all, and especially if you have a lot of windows, because the windows that I'm streaming are not all the windows I'm using. I'm using much more, but I'm only streaming the few that are necessary to understand my stream and my trading. Hey, potential buy trap here. Not that I'm interested, but I'm just pointing it out. Oh, no longer. That's a sell trade now. 1, 2, 3. Would I have took that? No, I wouldn't have taken that trade because, hey, interstitial space. What do we say about the interstitial space? It's just a space of confusion. And I'm seeing that the whole day we've been trading in that confused area. And yesterday's price action was just, hello. It was, you didn't want to be on the market yesterday. The price action was just unbearable, untradeable. It was not it, sir. Seems like selling is the new vibe at the moment. Getting a flag here. Boom. Huh. And boom. Huh. 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 Can we get huh. Huh. Let's observe. We are observers of the new world. Observers of the new world. We're getting a buy trap trade right here. 1, 2. Oh, just look at that. That's not really it. See that? That's not really a trap trade, huh? I mean, you can decide to ignore that. Always get punished. Always get punished from ignoring that kind of stuff. Whoa, am I yawning? Really? Really, dude? This now might be the trap trade if you're looking for a trap trade. I think for me the price action is a bit too packed, choppy, right? I don't think we've been having satisfactory price action for a minute now. So Would you look at that? Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Well, you're not quite out of the gutter. You didn't quite make it out of the hood yet. Mm-hmm. Made it out of the hood with that one. About an hour into it. Hey, I'm with it. I haven't been able to take buy trap trades in the longest time. Longest time. Just a failure rate, I think it's way higher than the sell trap trades, right? Must be. Must be. Hey, talking about a buy trap trade. Trap trade to the upside. It doesn't work again. Maybe we get our two-legged bull back. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. Yeah, sure. Why would it give us a two-legged pullback? Why would the market do that? Why would you give you free money? Huh? Tell me why. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. A beautiful signal candle. Alright? The kind you see once in a lifetime type stuff. Hmm. Are we interested in that entry? Are we gonna repeat the mistakes of the past? Are we gonna repeat the mistakes of the past? We got that happening somewhere here. A similar type of action. We're not rushed. We're gonna wait for a better setup. But this kind of starting to look enticing, isn't it? It is starting to look enticing. Ooh. I'm sorry, baby girl. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I don't think I'll take that. How eerily similar is it to this action here? Doesn't it look like it just copied this and pasted it here? That's what it looked like to me. Let's now see if the follow-up is gonna be the same. Hmm. Seems like, you know what? Gonna switch accounts and take that with a different account. If that happens, because that's not an A setup to me, right? That's a C setup even, not a B. And I might ask, why am I taking that then? True. Why am I taking it? That's the signal candle now. Not the best. Seems like we're having some form of support here, right? Same time we're having resistance here. Okay, broken. Take back what I said. Uh, that trap trade is gonna be sweet, huh? That trap trade is gonna be sweet, huh? Hey, I'm with it. If that turns out to turn out, I will be with it. $600. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that trap trade is not convincing at all. If I was in a buy here, I would be stressed. If I was in a sell here, oh, okay, interesting. Okay. Whoa, whoa. That's uh, that's a movie movement right there. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, when you don't get fed setups, you know it's time. It's time to let go. Right, it's time to let go. I have about 15 minutes left in this trading session, and that's it. I might be there for the night session, but I'm trading the NQ strategy at the night session, so I will not be streaming it. However, the outcomes are going to be, you know, tomorrow you can see the new update on the next stream. So, and as we said, from the 28th, we're gonna start with the 300K accounts, right? One at a time. Take our sweet little time with it. Sweet little time. Do I believe we're gonna get a setup? No. I have to be realistic. We've been just short of setups today, right? Look at this. When you zoom out and then you look at this, what is that? That thing right there is not real, right? That's what I think of when I see this. This was the only decent motion we've had today, and it was in the midst of a huge uptrend. So how could you even really be, thinking about a sell position here? Maybe here, yeah. But hey, maybe if you counted this two-legged pullback, but who would have done that? I don't think so. You have no decent entries, right? This is an extended wick, longer than the point. So you wouldn't really have taken the trap trade, would you? The past 2 days price action hasn't been the best. We have to come to that reality. Okay. Wow, that is a two-legged pullback. Would you look at that? There's no break of the higher. The previous candle's high at any point here. There's none. So if I see a beautiful rejection, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in for the buy. I don't want it to I'm not even gonna talk, right? Are we gonna watch that setup just being fumbled in front of our very eyes? Right? I don't want it to give us any sort of doubt that it won't respect the trend. Right? Okay, we need an immediate reaction. Because this ain't it. I would give it some room for error, right? Like some breathing room for error. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Now, what I need to ask is, what am I supposed to do with this candle here? What's to do with that? How am I supposed to take that and run with it? That's just a risky setup. I mean, it's looking good. You know what? For the stream. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'll take the buy for the stream. It does come down to it. It already triggered, by the way. So now a break of this low would be a trap trade. That's what it would be. Whoa. We get filled, we get filled. We don't, we don't. It's as simple as that. Yep. Um, horrible signal candle, mate. Horrible signal candle, mate. I couldn't have really taken that. We're about to break the previous candles. Sorry. We're about to break the trend line. Do you really want to be in there? I mean, I could have bought from here then and just have like 3 ticks of a loss. That's true. But hey, I didn't really think of that like that. I was explaining this is a trap trade entry right here. 1, 2, 3 trap trade entry right here. It's a good setup overall, but I think we're a bit at the top here, right? So that's the reason why I would not be entering this. Because even the best of setups get you stuck just because you're a bit just high on the overall trend, right? So yeah, it looks alright. 5 minutes. Hey, I don't get a setup in 5 minutes. I'm just gonna continue on the evening session, if I'm being honest. Looking good for the buyers we got in. Looking quite good. One tick away from your take profit. This is the part that tests your patience. Huh. That's a it's a big boy candle right here. Yeah, it's a big boy candle right here. Okay. Um, I'll be ending the stream on this note. To be honest, time for us to wait for another entry. Might take 10, 15, 20 minutes. Especially around this time, the volume starts to slack a little bit. So I'll catch you with the stream tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do some evening streaming later on the NQ. And yeah, that's about it. Whoa, whoa. That's a big move. Big buy move. Alright, see y'all tomorrow.